I read the Quran, and I think reading the Quran, Islam should be declared a crime against humanity. Crime against humanity. Well, crime against Jews and Christians,
Okay, over what?
crime against women,
Okay.
crime against people who leave Islam, crime against anyone who wants to make sense. So please explain to me. Please explain to me.
Where's the problem?
Where is the problem?
Explain
Have you ever read the Quran?
Yes.
What is the treatment of Islam, the Islamic theology towards Christians and Jews?
You tell me.
Have you ever read the Quran?
Jizya tax.
Have you ever read the Quran?
Yes.
What do you understand when reading the Quran as to how Jews and Christians ought to be treated?
Treated in what sense? In war?
In what?
In what sense? What way do we treat them? In Darul Harb, in Darul Kufr, in the non-Muslim land, in a Muslim land? What are you talking about?
Quran doesn't have.
What do you mean treating? What do you mean treating?
Once.
Yeah, go.
In the Quran,
Yes.
there is no such thing called non-Muslim land, Muslim land. You understand that?
Yeah.
So don't bring in irrelevant points. The Quran is very clear as to how how it views Jews and Christians, how Muslims should view Jews and Christians. Based on the details that you've read from the Quran, why do you think Islam should not be declared a crime against humanity?
What's your problem with it? I'm not gonna go.
Okay,
on
I'll give you a list.
defending myself.
Sure.
You tell me what's your
Sure.
problem with it?
Sure. Let me give you some details. Let me give you some details, and you can then defend. Yeah. The Quran. 1 second. The Quran.
Everybody kill everybody then.
The Quran thinks Jews are like dogs. Would you agree with that?
Where's the reference?
Surah 7, Ayah 176.
So,
If it says,
Have you ever read? If it says so, you'd think Jews are like dogs?
open the copy for me.
Surah 7, Ayah 176.
Open the copy for me.
I'd like to read many things.
Open the copy here for me. Open the verse.
Okay, let's read. So, if the Quran,
No. Open the verse in the book, please.
when we open and find out that Islam thinks
No. Open
Jews
it,
are
open
like
it for me.
Muslims, what
Forget
are you
when,
planning to
open it
do?
for me. Let me read it.
Surah 7, Ayah 176.
1-7.
Had we willed, we could have raised him by their means, but he clung to the earth and followed his own lust.
Who's him?
Will clung to his own lust. Therefore, his likeness is of the likeness of a dog.
The likeness of a dog.
Yeah.
Who's
That
he?
we'll come to that in a little bit. Yeah.
Is it
Like
Jews? You said all Jews, and now you're saying him. You're saying all Jews, and now you're saying him.
have you ever read this surah?
You're saying all Jews, and now
Have
you're
you
saying him.
have you ever read this surah?
No. You gave me a verse here.
Have you ever read this surah?
No. Forget that. Yeah. You gave me a verse, and you said it says all Jews are like dogs. Now it says the likeness of him is like a dog. Who is him? And
Yeah,
how
can
you
we
apply it to all Jews?
can we clearly you haven't read the
You made a claim. You have to defend it. Why are you asking me to defend it? Go on. Let's read it.
clearly you haven't read your Quran.
Go on, read it.
And so let me clarify. Surah 7 Ayah 159. And of Moses' people. Who are Moses' people?
Bani Israel.
Good. So you see the context there? Moses' people.
Moses' people. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Surah 1. No, wait.
Go on.
Clearly, you haven't got a clue, and you asked me, and I'm giving you
Why
an
are you getting
answer.
rude, broski?
Excuse
Why are
me.
you getting rude?
Look,
I'll leave right now if you're getting rude. Yeah.
you can leave any moment you want, but the point is, you clearly, when I read the verse that I read,
I'm asking a
said,
question.
you
If it
demonstrated
says
your
if it is a
ignorance.
singular pronoun in the verse here. How are you saying it applies to a multitude of people? It says the likeness of him. How is that going against
Don't
the whole
shout.
column of people?
Please don't shout.
No, because you're
Let's-
shouting over me. You're shouting over me as if you know more. Go on, explain.
Are you scared of reading your own
I'm not
Quran?
scared, but you made a claim. You have to defend it.
that is okay, no problem.
So now can we read one step at a time? One step at a time. So, Surah, sir, please don't touch me, sir. Please don't touch me,
In the Bible,
sir.
Jesus
Surah,
mentioned
excuse me,
dark
sir.
as well, so that is okay.
7, Surah 7,
That is okay.
Ayah 159, Moses' people. We agree? It's about Israel. Don't we? Surah, the same Surah, Ayah 160. We divided them into 12 tribes, nations, and we inspired Moses when his people asked him for water and so on. So, Who are we still talking about?
You tell me. You're making a claim. You have to. Why are you asking me a question? Ask me to defend.
It's your book, isn't it?
Brother, you asked me to defend.
Are you a Muslim?
I'll defend.
You know, you clearly are clueless. So maybe you're not a Muslim. Is there a Muslim who? Are you a Muslim, sir? Yeah. So this.